Hello everyone, this is Crystal with Slick Trade, and in this presentation I'm going to go over spreads on Nadex. Okay, I've had a few of you ask me about that and how to enter, when to exit, how to exit the trades, and how to navigate to where they are on the Nadex platform. So this is Nadex right here. As you can see, I had already entered a spread trade here. It is not currently in profit, but I have redone this video a couple times now, so I was just going to do it as a quick example. There was a short or sell position that was signaled out earlier on the Germany 30 for a low risk spread, or OTM. You can do it either way, but with the spreads, if there is a lower risk spread, then I highly suggest to choose a spread over the OTM, because every pip that price moves with a spread, you gain $1 or lose $1, okay, per pip, essentially. So it's almost like trading Forex in a way, but there is still an expiration time. And one of the cool things about Nadex spreads is there is a ceiling and a floor. Okay, so earlier when the sell was sent out, what I did was I went to the indices spreads, the Germany 30, and then you're looking at the daily 4 p.m. Okay, that's always what you're choosing with the signals that we send out, at least. Okay, so here's your different options. Okay, you have 4 options here. Now, we were looking to sell. I chose the 10200 to 10400, which is this one right here. It had the best risk to reward, okay, in my mind. There was one other one that was only like a $4 risk per contract. However, that's so far out of the money that I really, I felt that it would have been just money lost, unless if price goes heavily in our favor, okay? So this is the one that I went with. And you can easily see which one is best for you. Let me actually just go ahead and bring all of them up for you, so you can get a good visual here. Okay, so 102, 103, 101, and 104. Okay, so since price is pretty much where it was at when I entered for the sell and when it was signaled, which was, I believe, a few hours ago now. I know it happened when I was still sleeping. But all that you do is, if you're looking to sell, you're just going to click right there. All right, it's going to bring that down there into the price. And if you do just one, okay, you see easily your max loss is 96, your max profit is 304. Okay, now spreads are different than binaries. If it there isn't like a expire in the money or out of the money here. Okay, what's going to happen is, if you sell, you're going to want to buy back, okay, when you reach a certain profit level. All right, just because price is under 10405 at 4 p.m. does not mean you're going to get 304 per contract. Okay, it's going to be that dollar per pip movement. Okay, so if it's moved 20 pips in your favor, you've gained 20 pips. Or you've gained, excuse me, $20 per contract. Okay, so that's how you want to look at that. That's the difference between the Nadex binaries and the Nadex spreads. Okay, but what's neat about these spreads versus Forex is you have this max loss, okay, which is the ceiling. Okay, you can't lose any more than $96 per contract. Okay, and if we go ahead and just do this on each one, just so you get a good visual here, all right, this one right here is a max loss of 4, but this one is, it's so far out of the money that I don't know that it's actually going to reach any profit at all. Okay, so I usually avoid that. I avoid anything that's under like $10 usually. I usually shoot for like the 20 risk. Okay, which this was the perfect example, and this is the one that I'm in right now. Okay, so my max loss is $21. If I did 5 contracts, sorry about that. MetaTrader 4 is going off. If we did 5 contracts there, your max loss would be 105, and your max profit would be 895. Okay. With these spread trades, you're looking for a good 20 to 50 pip movement. Okay, which is very easy on indices. Okay, these move much different than currency pairs. Okay, so excuse me. So that's how that works. It's very simple, but it also it can be confusing. I can understand where, you know, I know when I first started out with them, they were quite confusing. Okay, so now the max loss is 23. If it comes back up to 379, I'll enter one for you. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to do one because I've already got a few that are open right now. Okay. And it's very low risk. Okay. The in the money binaries are not like that. You're risking a lot more with those. Okay, unless if you're only doing OTMs. But yeah, so that's why I like these a lot. Anyways, so max loss $21. Now it just moved down. Well, let's just show an example here. I am not going to enter unless it comes back to 379. So here's a working order. Okay, you place the order. Okay, and then it's going to come down here into your working orders. And you see now I'm not at a loss. I'm at 0. Okay, so let's say I just didn't. It didn't matter to me, and I wanted to buy back. That would take you out of the trade. Okay, we were in a sell here. Price is currently here. Okay, if you place this order, it would literally take you out of the trade. Okay, so that's kind of how a spread works. Okay, now I'm up $3. So if I wanted to get out then, again, same thing. Now, let's say, excuse me, once price moves here, sorry, I'm waiting for it to move at least a pip here. So we're at 10379 is a break-even point. Okay. Well, now price doesn't want to move at all. Come on. Hope y'all are having a great day. It's been pretty nice up here. No snow for a couple days now. Sun has been shining. I think spring is finally making its way here. I think they must know I'm making a video. Just wanted to show you guys one last thing here. Well, here's something neat. The cool thing about these spreads, oh, here we go. So 378. See, we were at 10379. Now 10378 puts us up $3 because there's 3 contracts. Okay, so if it goes to 377, we'll be at $6. Right there. See, plus 6. And so on and so forth. It's going to move up 3 because we have 3 contracts. So if you wanted to set a take profit level, let's say let's see, 377 is plus $6. So let's just say 370, okay? Let's just say that's when you wanted to take your profit. But you don't care to sit here and stare at the screen, okay? You would type in here 10370, okay? You'd be buying back because you were selling, right? And then you'd place that order. And it would also go down into the working orders here, okay? And if it reaches that take profit level, then it automatically takes you out of the trade. Kind of similar to Forex, just a little bit different thinking process, I guess. So that's how that works. I hope that that explains it to you guys. Pretty simple. And I will talk to you later.